So a quick review of car. Let's see, what was this called? I don't even know what this one was called. I guess it's called CAW Car Accessories. Anyways, I bought this for my motorcycle, and I've been using it for a good 3 years now, about 3 years now, and this is how I used to use it. Snap it there, and you normally have to do this, where I have this rubber band here that you need to come have it catch the phone, that way it's stable, right? So worked out great for me for at least about 3 years. This is probably about 2 months or 3 months after I bought my motorcycle is when I got this. So worked out really well for me. uh, Cost me about maybe $14-15. Served me really well. The one thing that the one thing that I did not like about this was when you have gloves on, when you have the motorcycle gloves on, you cannot put this thing on with the gloves on. You simply can't, because you get too clumsy with the gloves on. So for that matter, I actually decided to go with a new product called Quadlock. I haven't installed it, or I haven't tried it yet. I just got the boxes. I just got like 5 or 6 accessories to that will be part of that. It was cost me about $100, a little over $100. So it wasn't cheap at all. But hopefully, it's a much better solution to what I have right now, because obviously, too much, with that sort of expense, I really hope it's something that I have always needed for a very long time. But anyways, I want to do a quick review of this. Like I said, you can taking it out normally isn't a problem. It's just that putting it together like this, that is a problem. Getting it out, even with the gloves on, you can simply get that out. Like I said, I have no fuss about this thing other than the fact that it's a little hard to operate. It's also starting to give out. I don't know if you can see this, but let me see if I can zoom in. Yeah, I think you can see that, right? Let's see if I can do that. Yeah, it's starting to rip a little bit over here, but I think it will last. It should last me. It should last me some time before it really gives out off. Other than that, it's a like I said, it's a really nice phone holder otherwise.